Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Elma here, Space for Inspiration. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Return subscriber, thank you for always coming back to support me. Welcome, happy winter vacation to everybody. Hope your vacation is going good. Mine is going great, it's amazing. If you've been following my videos, you know my last video I was welcoming my beautiful mother to South Korea. My mother is here and she brought me a lot of goodies. I have many big bags. She brought me a lot of food from home and I'm so happy. So I want to do like an unboxing to show you some of the things. I'm not going to show you all the things, definitely. I'll show you some of the things that she brought for me. So first, let me show you my mother. Let me show you my mother. There she is. She's resting in the parlor. And here are my bags. See, this is my bag number 1, bag number 2, and another one there. So I'm going to be showing you some of the things. They're mostly like, in fact, Cameroon food. So those who are from Cameroon may relate, or Nigeria, but other people, you just see some of the things. Okay, so I'll start with this bag. Bag number 1. Let's see, Mama, maybe I'll end up holding this thing like this. So this is like grasshoppers. That's how the Ugandans call it. These are like grasshoppers. In Cameroon we call it minguin. But it's grasshoppers and I love it so much. So Mama brought me this one. This is the first item I brought out. Let's see what next. Like I said, I'm not showing everything. I'm not showing everything. These are my like, Mama, these are spices, right? Yeah, these are spices. Yes. Mama, please come closer so that yeah, okay. This is like white pepper, like chili pepper, something like that. And then this one is like black pepper. Oh, okay, so these are them. This is a bag of spices, yeah. So this is number 2. Let's see what next. Third thing is of course snails. I don't know, I love snails. I love eating snails. So this is the third item in the bag. My snails. Okay. Then Mama brought me, this is like a Cameroon meal. It's called achu. This is like the achu koyam. Yeah, Mama is going to make me a special meal. The day Mama will make achu for me, I'll show you all the process. So this is cocoyam. Yeah. So yes, this is the 4th item. So what next, Mama? What we have?
Spices.
Achu spices. Like I said, this koyam, like you see, achu flour. Yeah, they use this one to make the soup to eat with this. So this is achu spices. And then this is like dry meat. We call it in Cameroon langa in our local language. It's dry meat. Yes. So this is the next item on our agenda. What else, Mama? This is like bongo chobi. It's like a Cameroon meal, right? Soup also, yes. So we use this one too for making soup. Let's see what next Mama is bringing out. Yes, this is the most important, the main man. This is Gary. Like this is the main thing. Yeah, Gary. This is what my husband was saying. If you want to bring anything, bring only Gary and everything. Yeah, and then I have this one. So this is like dry meat. Yeah, some dry meat. It's called kilishi. I like this one so much. Yeah, so this one, this is dry meat. And then this is like pepper soup spices. We use this to make soup. Those who are from Cameroon or Nigeria, I relate. Pepper soup spices. And then
plantain for a special soup.
this is dry plantain. Yes, for a special sukompu. Yeah, dry plantain. Yeah, Mama brought dry plantain as well. So she's going to make us that soup.
Coffee
and
from
then
Cameroon,
this is
gift
special.
from the father.
Yeah, this is special from my father. Like it's going to be gifts for some people. Like some people, this is special coffee made in Cameroon. Yeah, there are 3 kinds or 2 kinds here. This is another one. This is another one. Then Mama, what is this?
Spices.
This is for
with the plantains.
okay, for the plantain thing.
Sauce.
Yeah, the plantain sauce. Yeah,
This is from a dish from the southwest.
Okay.
Cameroon.
Okay, all right. And then what else do we have? Cow skin kanda. We call it in Cameroon kanda. So this bag is done. Bag number 1 is done. Let's see bag number 2. I'm not sure for everything. No, not everything. Next we have, this is palm oil. Yeah, Mama brought me palm oil too. So we have palm oil. Then This is like vegetable. This is like special vegetable, special gift from my auntie Bia. Thank you. Yeah. So this is, it's called okomobong. Yes. And then of course my arrow. This is arrow from Cameroon. Yeah. So, and then what else do we have? Yeah, this is crayfish. Mama brought crayfish. Yeah. So this is called, Mama, how they call this one in English?
I don't know.
Akop. I don't know the name in English.
So this one
They just,
from palm tree.
yeah, it's from
bamboo.
from like a bamboo tree. Yeah, right. So I don't know how to call it in English. And then this is called another spice. It's called ogbono. Ogbono. Yes, Nigerians can relate with this one. And then we have more
rice, fried
more
rice
ogbono.
spices.
Fried rice spices, and then jangsa, and then more ogbono. Yeah, ogbono.
The forest full of that is this.
Okay, I think we're almost done. Like I said, I'm not showing everything. I can't. Let's see. Is there anything again, Mama? It's done, right? What is this one?
For the achu soup.
This is to make achu.
Limestone.
This is limestone. Okay, limestone. Yes. So I think this bag is done. So we have our African wears now. This is like a headscarf. Mama is going to teach me how to tie it. So Mama will teach me how to tie that one. Yeah. This headscarf. And then Mama also brought me a wig. I've already launched it. This is my wig. And then Mama brought me this beautiful this beautiful dress. Traditional Cameroon dress, typical of the northwest region of Cameroon. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And then for me this dress. Yeah, these are other dresses too. Yeah, it's another one, another beautiful African wear. Then we have another beautiful African wear. Tan tan tan! I cannot wait to wear this one. Cannot wait to wear it though. Yeah, I cannot wait to wear this. See how Mama is shining. Looking good. Her face is so bright. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, here are my stuff. Let me show you. These are my goodies from Cameroon. So I'm going to be enjoying all these things in this season. Help me thank Mama, Daddy, all my aunties and uncles. Oh my God, the whole community. So at this point, I don't know what happened exactly to the recording. I don't know what happened. I don't know what I touched, and then it went and stopped the recording I was doing. Anyway, so basically what I was just saying is like I was so grateful for all the things I got, because it's usually very difficult to get them around here. It's usually expensive. I was particularly happy showing my palm oil, how happy I was, and then also I was showing my gari to say I was grateful for this one, even though Mama could not carry all of it when of the one that I had to get. She left some back. I was also happy for this akop, because I've not had this in a long time, and it's not something you find common around here. So I was also grateful for that. I was just happy seeing everything I got, and I was very thankful that God made it possible that she was able to carry all my stuff, including this plantain. Yeah, I was also excited because I knew that I'm going to be using this to make my soup. And yeah, basically I was just being grateful to everybody, because I had some relatives, some aunties of mine who sent me stuff as well. Yeah, many people contributed in sending some things for me. Yeah, so I was just grateful for everybody. Yeah, so that's basically what this video was all about. So I think I should just go ahead and end it here. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you've watched up to this point and you haven't liked, go now, hit the like button and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified each time I post a new video. Subscribe to my channel. Like I said, this season I'm going to be very consistent because there's a lot of content coming up. I have some content I've already kept aside that you all are going to definitely enjoy it. It's going to be beautiful. I've been having great fun all this season with many things happening. So please consider subscribing, like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye.